Indicators are essential tools for traders, helping to analyze trends, predict price movements, and make informed decisions. Mobile trading platforms like MetaTrader 5, MT5, TradingView, and FXCM Trading Station offer intuitive ways to add and customize indicators, enhancing trading efficiency. This guide explains how to add indicators on each platform in just a few steps. Adding indicators in MetaTrader 5, MT5. To add an indicator on MT5, launch the app and log into your account. Navigate to the Charts section, tap the screen, and select the indicator's icon. From the menu, explore categories like trend, oscillators, or volumes, then tap your desired indicator. For example, a moving average can help analyze trends, while Bollinger Bands measure volatility. Customize the settings, such as time periods, levels, and colors, to align with your strategy. The indicator will then appear on your chart, either overlaying the price or in a separate section, ready for use. Adding indicators in TradingView provides an extensive library of built-in and community-developed indicators. Open the app, select a chart, and tap the chart menu. Then, click the button that looks like a gear icon to open settings. Under Tools, find and click on Indicators. The menu displays categories like Favorites, Technical, Financial, and Community Indicators. Browse or search for the one you need. Tap to select your desired indicator, and it will appear on your chart. Customize its parameters, save your settings, and enjoy seamless analysis tailored to your needs. Adding indicators in FXCM Trading Station. To add indicators in the FXCM Trading Station app, start by clicking the Discover button. Select the currency pair you want to analyze, such as EUR/USD. The chart for the pair will load, displaying price movements. Near the bell icon, tap Add Indicators to open the indicator menu. From the available options, select an indicator, such as Bollinger Bands, and click Add. Customize its settings to suit your trading preferences, then confirm by clicking Add again. The indicator will now appear on your graph, providing valuable insights for your analysis. Adding indicators to your trading platform is simple and effective for analyzing market trends. Whether using MetaTrader 5, TradingView, or FXCM Trading Station, these platforms allow traders to quickly integrate and adjust indicators to match their strategies. By mastering these steps, you can improve your trading accuracy and make more confident decisions.